Hello, this is a as seen on TV powered cold heat cordless soldering tool. It heats instantly, cools in seconds, LED light, uses 4 AA batteries, world's first cool tool touch soldering tool. Let's see, let's open it up and see what it looks like. You know, these packages, you never can get them open. There we go. Oh, here's something. Okay. Powered by cool heat. Let's find the English side of this. That's not English. That's not English. That's not English. Let's see. Cordless soldering tool powered by cold heat. That's the battery instructions. Okay. This tells you how to use it. And this is to get your wire stripper, please submit. Oh, this is a mailing coupon to get your wire stripper.
Speak up a little louder.
This is a mailing coupon to get your wire stripper for only $5.99. It's your soldering tool package. You use your UPC code and your store receipt. So don't lose your store receipt like I did. Let's see how this comes out. Something in there. This is a tip of some sort. When you get that out, you've got smaller fingers than I do. Thank you. Okay, that's the tip. Pull that off. Put this in there. This is what you solder with. Okay, well, we are going to demonstrate it at another time. So, we will figure it out. We will read this book.
Say subscribe to see more content.
And subscribe to see the rest of it. So, see you later.